everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something with boxes. It's going to be those things right over there. I'm going to be showing you how to make them. Super easy and simple. Watch to the end.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to use glue. I found old glue, literally has Kai's name on the top, probably from like kindergarten, and I used one of these glue sticks to do all of these covers. So went to the Dollar Tree and got this roll of wrapping paper and these, what are they called, magazine file holder things. Okay, so you're gonna want a mat. I am not gonna spend $20 on a mat at the store, so you know those ones that you get for cooking? We don't eat fish in our house, so I just stole the fish one out of there, and I'm gonna use it as a cutting mat, an X-Acto type knife, scissors, and then I use the scraper so that I can, smooth everything out. So let's get started. Okay, so if you buy the rolls at the Dollar Tree, one roll will do 6 of these. So I already cut my piece, took this out of the package, and pick either side. This is way easier flat. I tried a bunch of these while they were open and it's way easier flat. So just pick a side and we're gonna start gluing. Okay, so you can see it's decently smooth. It would be better if it was thicker paper, but we're just using Dollar Tree paper right now, so it's fine. So it's all on there, it's glued on, so now we're just gonna pull the mat over so we don't scratch up our table with the knife, and we're gonna find the longer side, which is this outside, and we're gonna start cutting off all the extra wrapping paper. Okay, so the top's done. We're gonna fold up the bottom, and then whatever is sticking over the edge, I just like to line up the, the little perforated lines in here that tell you. I like to line those up just so I know. So we're gonna just line up the bottom, get it in. And anything that's sticking out over the edge, we're gonna cut with the X-Acto knife.
Alright guys, that was pretty easy stuff. I mean, it's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment what you'd like to see more, and peace out.